Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Hotjar at 2026. So actually guys, the first step is to prepare the account. So you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Hotjar account. If not, you will need to sign up. So to sign up on Hotjar, you will need to go with get started, that button on the top right corner, or you can go with that button at the same, okay? So just click it and create an account using your Google, or just go and type your email right here, continue with email, and then just follow the prompts to create the account, okay? So after that, after creating an account, I want you to go back to Shopify and click on the settings that located on the left-hand menu. So it's the last option on it. And scroll down a little bit and click on the apps on the left-hand menu again, and then just go with Shopify App Store. So right here we'll look for Hotjar. So I want you to use the search bar and type it. Hit enter. And there you go. This is the app Hotjar install. So just click on it and then go with install. Right now we will be forwarded into another page just to confirm the installation. So just go and click on install. And that way you added it to your Shopify store. So that's it. And as you can see, you will need to select a plan to select a plan to function. So you can go with the basic plan or the pro plan. And this is the benefits of each plan, as you can see, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.